QNT at the time of this recording is giving us a breakout to the upside after we continued to hold above our key area of support above the $90 mark. And at the time of this recording, we have now managed to break above our key area of resistance above the $100.3 and above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping those key areas back into support. And on today's update video, I will be giving you the most significant key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, give you my breakout target areas, and also give you the most significant key areas of supports that you need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now grab up to $50 in sign up bonuses and earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box that you can use for registration. Getting back to the charts, I believe that QNT gave us a low on the 4th of November and started an impulse to the upside in a move that first peaked in the formation of this Deriv count 1, giving us a high above the $71. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this Deriv count 2 before we started an impulse to the upside in the formation of this Deriv count 3. And on my previous videos, I have been saying to you that we peaked in the formation of this wave 3 above the $95.4. And on today's video, I want to make a few adjustments to this Deriv structure, where we can have the high for the wave 3 as the high that we made above the $108.8, and whatever has been playing out for the past few days was just a corrective structure in the formation of this Deriv count 4. And in the next coming hours, there are high chances that we are going to see the start of an impulse in the formation of this Deriv count 5. And to just see whether we got into the minimum target areas for these Deriv count 4, we can use the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of the wave 3, and that gives me a minimum pullback target area for that Deriv count 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the $89.9 and the $83.9, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts. And you can see that we are yet to fully maximize that target area, though we are seeing a reaction of the upper side of that target area, and that means that QNT could be reacting to the fib level 0.382 in what could be the start of an impulse to the upside in the formation of this Deriv count 5. And if that is the case, then that will be suggesting that we got a shallow Deriv count 4 over here, and we are just getting started in an impulse in the formation of this Deriv count 5. And for us to confirm that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2 and that we are not going to see lower prices getting us back into this retarget area, then we need to see QNT give us a break above the most significant high we made in the formation of this wave 3 above the $108.8. The moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, maybe with a retest, then we can continue expecting higher prices in the formation of these Deriv count 5, whose minimum target areas can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave. So using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3, we can get a minimum target area for that Deriv count 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the $118.5. And that means that in the next coming hours, the moment we manage to break above the $108.8, then we can have the $118 or maybe the $120 as our next target areas in the formation of that Deriv count 5. We also need to have in mind that there are chances that we might not see a break above this significant high to confirm to us that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 4. And if that is the case, then that will be suggesting that whatever is still playing out here on the charts is still a corrective structure where we can have this as a wave A, then this could be the bounce in that wave B before we can finally see one more new low into this retarget area that I have marked here on the chart. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.